The 19th summit of the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa has concluded on the island of Madagascar. This year's theme was Inclusive and Sustainable Industrialization. High-level delegates discussed how to boost regional integration and trade within the bloc, which has been grappling with a drop in growth last year. CCTV's Clementine Logan has the latest.
Wednesday saw a brief set of final communiques by heads of state and first ladies. There's been a raft of agreements signed with Africa's biggest regional economic organisation in the past week, including with the European Union and USAID. With 19 member states and a population of over 400 million, COMESA remains a major marketplace for both external and internal trading. But weaker global demand and lower international commodity prices have affected the region's growth. Members agree they need to move away from commodity dependence towards what they're terming inclusive and sustainable industrialization. The COMESA Secretariat is urging them to implement policies that will improve economic and political governance, expand infrastructure and empower the private sector. They've also agreed to continue negotiations on a continental free trade area, but the issue of the tripartite free trade area arrangement still, the Secretariat says, has a lot of work to be done.
Libya signed the tripartite agreement yesterday, bringing the total number of countries out of 26 to 18 that have signed the tripartite agreement. And we have meetings starting in Nairobi next week, which will culminate with the ministerial meeting of the tripartite, where they will be taking stock of where we are. Admittedly, what has happened is that we are behind schedule. We are supposed to have concluded the outstanding negotiations by June this year. But I'm quite still upbeat. I'm optimistic that everything will fall into place.
Members also welcomed the development of peace-building initiatives for the region. Work on these and other measures will continue into the next summit, to be hosted by Burundi, which takes over as vice chair of COMESA. Clementine Logan, CCTV, Antananarivo, Madagascar.